You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood by my side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die. You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again.
Yeah, awesome. Awesome. I'm on my way now, okay? See you in a bit. All right, take care. All right.
Hi, Mr. Lincoln.
Oh, hello. Good morning, man.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm as happy as can be, man.
Great. I came to tell you that you will lead the team that will pitch for the Green Park contract.
I thought Maxwell was the one leading the team.
Yes, he was. But I intend to replace him with you. There is something about you that I think will captivate the clients.
Well, it's 2 spoonfuls of God's grace and a spoonful of hard work, man.
Amazing. All right, in preparation, this is a document.
Okay.
I need you to go through it, study it for like an hour, and then get ready for that presentation.
No problem, man. No problem.
I believe that you will be able to win this contract for us.
I believe so too, man. I'll do my best.
Okay, I'll see you later.
All right, man.
Be good.
Have a great day.
You too.
You know, some people admire nature's nicest things while others live amongst them. This is Green Park. It's a world at the center of nature. It's a place where nature encompasses all. You know, I know you might be asking yourself, like, what this guy is talking about. Is it realistic, or are they all fantasies, right? I'll be asking myself the same question if I was sitting in your seat. But I am here to tell you that Green Park is not only realistic, but it's also possible. But its possibility is dependent on one crucial thing. Now, can somebody ask me what that thing is? Well, it's the ability of the construction company to deliver excellence. Okay? A project of this magnitude deserves to be handled by a competent company. And no other company is more competent. Which other company has been given projects of different sizes globally and handled it perfectly? Thank you, comrades. Okoronkwo Constructions. Yes, Okoronkwo Construction is the only company to handle this project and turn your fantasy into reality. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you.
Wow. That was extraordinary.
Thank you, ma'am.
In all my years of watching people pitch their proposals, never have I seen someone with such an amazing talent like you. I'm sure you wowed every one of us in this room. You know, at a point, I didn't want you to stop your presentation. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
I know with all what I'm saying and all the compliments I'm giving you, it's coming from one side of your ear and going out of the other. What is going through your mind right now is, do I have the contract or not, right?
Yes, that's very true, ma'am.
Well, you don't have to bother your head about it because the contract is yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you, appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I assure you we'll deliver beyond your expectation.
I'm sure you will.
What did he even say that has never been said before? He's just an over-bloated, empty vessel. That is what he is. And the most disgusting part of it was how they were just clapping for him like he's one Barack Obama. How disgusting. Rubbish. His name is Lincoln. Maybe Abraham Lincoln's blood is running through his veins. It's not just Abraham Lincoln. It's Lincoln Navigator. Rubbish. I mean, who does he think of himself? I mean, who the hell does he think he is? He's barely 6 months in the company and he's already flexing his muscles as the most intelligent one. And if care is not taken, Mrs. Lau may fall for his schemes and send him to the UK for the World Economic Forum. Ah, definitely she will. If she can replace you with him in a big contract like this, definitely she's going to send him to UK. I am Maxwell. I am Maxwell and nobody should dare me. Nobody should try me. I have been attending the forum for the past 3 years and I have never defaulted at my duty, even if it takes the last drop of my blood.
That's right. Let's just keep our fingers crossed.
But certainly, they are going to send him to UK to represent us as a delegate there. Why are you being certain over negativity? Do you want to give me a heart attack? You're my friend. You're supposed to be on the same page with me. And sooner or later, they're going to say I'm the jealous one, that I'm being envious. But it's not fair. I have never failed in any of my duties. Look, I will never let it happen. Never.
You showed me how true love
Hello,
should be.
babe.
I'm fine, darling. How are you?
I'm doing good. I've never been happier, actually. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful
You
day.
sound excited. What's the good news?
Does there have to be good news for me to be excited? I'm a happy
I
guy.
know you well, Lincoln. You only sound like this when you have closed the deal.
You do know me well. Babe, I just closed the biggest deal, okay? A big deal.
Congratulations, darling.
Thank you.
We need to celebrate this. You know, make a reservation at our usual restaurant.
I would love that. Tell them 9 p.m.
9 p.m.
Yeah.
Isn't that too late? Why not 7? So we can leave.
7 is too early, okay? I want us to get in there by 9 so we can leave around 11.
If I leave by 11, what time will I get home?
But I'm a saint, baby. In public, I'm a gentleman, okay? But underneath the sheets, I'm a monster.
You're a spelt boy.
That's why I need you to come renew me, okay?
I don't know what you mean. I'm a holy woman. I don't understand such worldly things.
All right, babe, I have to get back to work, okay? Getting the contract is crucial, but executing it is much more important, okay? I'm gonna set a record.
You showed me how true love should be, and I appreciate it.
Baby, tell me, why are you staring at me like that?
I'm just thinking about how perfect my life is. I have the most beautiful, awesome girl as my girlfriend, and I'm exceeding in my career. My life is kind of perfect right now.
Lincoln, I'm so excited that I'm a part of your very perfect life. It's a big deal for me. Yes, it is. And I just want you to know that I will always be here for you. We need to cheers to that. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
To us
To us.
and success.
On success and every other thing in between.
I like that. All right. So, do you want to check the menu?
Yes.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
Hi, Sonia. Are the files ready?
Yes.
Let me have a look.
Excuse me, ma.
Mr. Maxwell, How may I help you?
I am really sorry to bother you, Ma.
Okay.
But there's something really vital I've been meaning to bring to your notice.
Okay, what would that be?
I haven't received any mail with regards to my involvement with the World Economic Forum.
Oh, and that is because I just sent it.
Oh, thank you very much, Ma. I'll quickly check.
No, there won't be any need for that.
But why, Ma?
Because you will not be attending the conference this year.
I don't understand you, Ma. What do you mean I am not the one representing the company this year?
I said you're not the one representing the company this year because I'm sending Mr. Lincoln to do that.
But this is very unfair, Ma. I have been the one representing the company at the forum, and I have never defaulted at my duties. What did I do wrong? Tell me and I will make amends. Why can't I go this year?
Because I said so.
But
But
Ma,
nothing. Listen to me, Maxwell. This is my company, and I call the shots here. If I say you will not be attending the conference this year, then that is it. I will be sending Mr. Lincoln to represent the company. Do you have any problems with that?
no, Ma.
Good. Please make available the number of that man at the embassy because he needs to submit his papers today, ASAP. Do you have any problems with that?
No, Ma.
Brilliant. Can I see you in my office, Sonia?
I will make sure Lincoln doesn't make that trip. Even if it's the last thing that I do. Yes, that's the car. That's the car. Follow him. Make sure you don't miss him. Follow him. Make sure you don't lose him. Park behind this car.
You came into
Now.
my world.
Park
and
behind
you
this car.
changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood by my side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die.
Wait for me.
You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again. You showed me how true love should be, and I appreciate. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. My blessing for life.
Doctor, yes.
You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain.
Doctor, will he be all right? As you can see, he's doing good. Let's go to my office so that we can discuss better.
Okay. Yes, okay, doctor.
To die. You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again. You showed me how true love should be. appreciate.
Baby. My love. Relax. My love.
Why can't I move my legs? Why can't I move it? Why can't I feel my legs? I can't feel my legs. Why can't I feel my legs?
The accident. The accident.
What?
It affected your spinal cord.
So I'm paralyzed? No. No, I can't feel my legs. I can't.
Just relax.
Why can't I move my legs? No.
Relax, please. Please.
No.
Relax, please, my love. Please.
I can't move my legs.
No, just relax. Please. This is sad. How did it happen? How?
I don't know. You can't tell. It's really terrible. Good morning, Ma.
Maxwell,
Have you heard about the accident?
I was very sad when I heard the bad news. I don't believe anything like that can happen to Lincoln.
I have been crying since I heard the news. I mean, life can be so unkind. Why now? Now that he's about to travel to the UK?
And we have less than 1 week to send a recommendation letter for whoever we are sending as our delegate.
What are you going to do now, Ma?
I'm not left with any choice than to ask you to go, even though I would have preferred Lincoln.
Me too, Ma. But like you rightly said, we do not have any other option.
Yes, I don't have any other option.
So, have you been able to see him?
No, but I'll be on my way to the hospital in a bit.
You mind I join you?
That won't be a problem.
Thank you very much, Ma.
You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again.
There you go, baby. Lincoln, what is wrong? Why won't you eat something? How did you expect the drugs to work if you don't at least eat something?
I'm not hungry.
I know you're not hungry, but you have to eat something.
How will I eat? How will I eat when I won't be able to walk again? I have to use a wheelchair from now on for the rest of my life. How am I supposed to eat?
Don't say that. Lincoln, don't say that. The doctor said you might still walk again.
I might walk again. Do you know what might means? Might is probability, not certainty, okay? So I might not be able to stand on my feet again. I might not be able to walk again. I might not be able to run or do all the things I used to do.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
It's okay, stop.
Oh my God. I heard about the accident. I'm so sorry, Lincoln.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Ma.
So how are you feeling now?
Not feeling fine. The doctor said I won't walk again. I mean, my life is over. How am I supposed to do my job now?
No. Don't talk about your job or even think about it now. Please concentrate on recovering.
I'm not going to recover, Ma. I'm never going to recover. Even if they discharge me from this hospital, I'll be in a wheelchair. How's that recovery?
I'm really sorry, bro. I feel your pains. Trust me, I really do. But in all situations, we should give thanks to God, so the Bible says. At least for life. And like Madam rightly said, your life is more paramount. So just focus on getting yourself, just be strong, okay?
So this is how I'm going to miss out on the World Economic Forum.
Well, it's a pity. You have missed a very juicy opportunity, but not to worry. I will enjoy it for the both of us.
My dear Lincoln, please stop crying, okay? The company will take care of all your hospital bills.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Nothing, my dear. That's the least we could do. He's been a blessing ever since he joined us.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it, man.
It's fine, Lincoln. Please, I need you to concentrate on recovering, okay? That's very important.
You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood by my side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die. You showed me how to
Good morning.
live and believe in love again.
Doctor.
Good morning.
Doctor.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I haven't slept in days, Doctor. It's not easy staying up all night.
Yeah, I understand. Sorry about that. How is Lincoln doing this morning?
He's fine.
Good morning, Lincoln. How are you doing today? I know you are feeling sad right now, but believe me, this is not the end of the world. Things will get better. Just try to cheer up. How are you feeling now? How about now? Do you feel anything? He's stable right now. I will soon discharge you.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
The only thing I want you to do right now is to show him more care and love. You have to be strong for him. He needs you more than ever.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Please don't neglect him, all right? Thank you.
Doctor. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Here we are. Lincoln. Lincoln, why are you crying? Have you forgotten what the doctor said? He said you are not allowed to cry or think too much.
Some weeks ago, I walked out of this house on my own 2 feet. Now I'm being pushed in like a crippled beggar.
I know. Listen, I know. Okay, but I don't want you to cry anymore. I will be here with you. I'm not going anywhere. Okay?
Vicky! 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 Hey, babe.
What is it?
Could you please help me with the remote? It's right on the bed. I'm tired of this movie. I want to change the channel.
So, Lincoln, you shouted my name simply because of a remote that is just in front of you?
You know, it's far from me, and I can't get that far without help. That's the only reason I would call you.
You can't get that far without help. Lincoln, I cannot possibly be doing everything in this house, every single thing, and still take care of you. Huh? What is it? I'm too young for this.
Why are you talking to me like this now? When I could walk, I wasn't asking you to get the remote from me. You know what it is now. It's a condition.
I don't care, Lincoln. All I'm saying is I am getting tired of this babysitting. And I mean it! Vicky.
Vicky!
What is it again now?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I want to use the restroom. Could you please help me get on the wheelchair? It's a bit far. If I realized that.
Hey, God, what kind of problem is this? What kind of a problem is this, Lincoln? What is it? What have I even gotten myself into? Lincoln, there is no way I can possibly carry you everywhere, every time. I'm too young for this.
Babe, you know, I'm trying to get used to this new lifestyle. It's like a whole different lifestyle change. I'm sorry. Could you just hold it so it doesn't move? Don't worry.
Let's sit.
Could you hold the wheelchair, please? So it doesn't roll, please.
It's not going to roll.
Okay.
And don't hold on to me too strong like that, please.
It's rolling.
It's not rolling.
It's rolling.
See, it's not rolling.
I don't want to. Okay, thank you. Please, my leg. If you can put it. Okay, don't worry.
Put it where, Lincoln?
Don't worry.
Put it where?
Don't worry. Sorry.
You cannot put your leg on the...
Sorry. Where is the... Sorry.
What is all this?
It's there.
Vicky.
Thank you.
I'm tired of this. I am honestly getting tired of this. And I mean it when I say it. I have my own life in front of me now. I cannot pass my life because of you. Vicky toilet, Vicky bathroom, Vicky bed, Vicky remote.
Sorry. Vicky!
What is it, this man? What is it? Must you always call my name every time?
I'm sorry. I need to use the restroom. I need help using the toilet.
And so? So you can't push yourself to the toilet?
I can push myself there, but I need help sitting on it.
Lincoln, do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me? What kind of a problem is this? Only Vicky will cook. Only Vicky will clean. Only Vicky will take care of you. What is it?
I'm sorry, but you know I need help using the toilet.
But I'm not your wife. Neither am I your mother, nor your sister. Lincoln, I cannot carry your burden on my head.
I cannot do it because I'm too young for that. Yesterday, I was looking at myself in the mirror and I could see wrinkles appearing all over my face. You're making me age. Yes, you are making me age and I do not like it. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, but you know I'm an orphan. I don't have anybody to turn to. It's nobody, just you.
Okay. I'm done. That is your business because I am fed up. I'm fed up.
Where are you going?
You will soon find out where I'm going. You'll soon find out. Everything. Vicky, if Vicky does not do it, nobody will do it. Eh? If Vicky does not do this, nobody will do it.
Where are you going? Where are you going with your bag?
Lincoln, I am done. Yes, I'm leaving you. I cannot do this anymore.
I'm sorry, but you said you always be with me, that you always be there for me.
Well, that was before the accident. Now, things have changed, Lincoln.
Please don't go. Who will take care of me? There's nobody. It's just you. Please. Nobody else here to take care of me. Please. Please. Don't just leave me like this.
Okay. Because of the love you once shared, I will pay someone to do that for you.
I don't want anybody else. I want you.
Lincoln, that is your business. That is your business. I am tired. I am fed up. I cannot do this anymore. Ah!
Hello, Mrs. Lawal. I'm not doing too fine, but I'm just trying to get it together. I'm sorry I haven't resumed. I'm just trying to get myself together, especially mentally before I can step out. Thank you so much. God bless you. Once I'm ready, I'll resume. Why am I? No, man, I'm still very capable of doing the job. I'm still very capable. I'm more than capable to do it, man. Please, give me another chance, man. Please, I'm begging you. Man, please,
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, my name is Chioma and I'm your new house help. Sir? What do you want me to do for you first? Sir, do you want me to clean your room, probably do the dishes or even cook for you? Sir, are you okay? Sir. So I just finished cleaning your room and washing your toilets. I want to tidy the living room now.
Hey, leave my bottle. Don't touch my drink. Are you okay?
Sir, but it's literally the living room.
Don't touch my bottles. Get out!
Sir!
Hey, get out!
Sir! Ha!
Choma, you're back so early.
You won't believe it. The person I was assigned to work for drove me out of his house.
Drove you out. Why?
I don't know what that man's problem is, so. Maybe because he's crippled. He's literally transferring his aggression on me. Wait, am I the cause of his plight? Do you know I was cleaning this man's living room and he was shouting at me like one local dog?
Choma, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has, oh my sis. It has. You know I'm not cool and calm like you are. Normally, I know well. My head no dey alright. That man should not try me.
I know. You're a mad woman.
What are you insinuating? Are you insulting me?
Ha! Insult you? No. How can I insult my own sister?
That man is just so annoying.
So are you going back there?
For what? To go and do what? I'm not going back, I beg. I'd rather call Madam Vicky and tell her to look for somebody else. Or better still, go back to my sales girl work I was doing. Because I can't work for that man, no. Me, I can't. I can't. Cha-cha-cha.
So can I replace you?
Replace me, Ke? You want to replace me? Ha. Okay. You know there's a difference between being crippled and being a drunk. Now at this point, this man is both of them. He's a crippled drunk. Are you sure?
Man, you know I need to raise money for my school fees.
I know, baby girl.
So, besides, I'm a nurse in the making. So let me practice with him.
But in that case, I think we have to share the salary.
Okay. 80-20.
For what? 60-40.
Never. 70-30. Last.
No deal. But deal. Okay, no wahala, but me, I'm not working for that man. He's a madman. I can't do that. At all.
Be calming down.
I'm not calming down, no.
Be calming down.
I have to even call her now, Seth.
You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood
Good morning,
by my
sir.
side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die. You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again.
Good morning, sir. My name is Diana. I'm a sister to the girl that was here yesterday.
I don't care. I don't care for the sister of Michelle Obama. I'm supposed to be left alone.
What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel.
Excuse me, sir. Don't you think you've had enough?
Who are you to tell me if I've had enough? Are you my mother? Hey, give me that drink.
Sir, I'm sorry, but from the look of things, you've had enough.
You can't tell me what to do. You're not Vicky. Give me my drink.
Sir, I am a nurse in the making. And from the little I know that your kidney and liver are crying and begging you to stop drinking.
You can talk to organs. That's great. Tell my heart to stop beating because I'm tired of living.
How can you say a thing like that? You have a whole future ahead of you.
I don't have a future. My life is over. Get your hands off me! Did I ask for your help? Why are you touching me?
I'm sorry, sir. I was only trying to help.
I don't need your help. I don't need your help. I don't need anybody's help. But you can go to hell.
You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and the pain I feel inside. You stood by my side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die.
Sir,
You showed me
do you need me to do anything else?
to smile.
Yes. I need you to leave.
And believe in love again.
Okay, I'll be in the living room. If you need me.
I won't need you. Okay? Just leave. Would you get out?
I appreciate
So rude.
Shut the door. I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you.
Shoma, how far? How was it?
Very stressful.
You see, when I told you that man is very problematic, you didn't believe me.
He's not that bad. I think he's going through a lot emotionally.
You see, the only one going through a lot emotionally in this country. As far as I'm concerned, every Nigerian is going through emotional issues. So you can't tell me he's the only one facing that.
I know everyone is going through a lot of things, but his own case is different. I think he's angry because of his conditions.
Is he the only one? Are we the cause of his problems? Are we?
Chima, why are you getting angry?
It's annoying! You should have seen the way this man spoke to me yesterday. He literally shouted at me like one little dog.
He also shouted at me, but I still want to work there.
That's why we are different. You are cool-headed and I am hot-headed like a volcano. If you try me, I will erupt you.
That's it.
And that is why you cannot work for him.
And that is why I don't want to work for him. And I'm feeling for you, girl.
You know what? Beneath that his anger, believe me, I know he's a sweet soul. He's a nice person.
Okay. Yeah, you're the one saying it. But for me, I'm not going to try that nonsense. I ain't gonna tell me I want to shoot them.
Shoot her.
Nonsense.
Hey, where are my drinks? Huh? Where are my drinks?
They're in the fridge in the kitchen.
I'm not talking about the soft drinks, I'm talking about my alcohol.
I'm sorry, sir. I replaced them with smoothies.
You did what?
Yes, smoothies that are good for your health.
Are you, it's like you're mad. Or it's like there's a bolt missing in your head. Why would you replace my alcohol with did I tell you I want to drink smoothies?
I'm sorry, sir. Don't worry, I'll replace your alcohol once I get to the market.
You better do. You better replace them. What kind of rubbish is this?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Nonsense. Smoothie. What kind of rubbish? Hey, Diane! Where's this girl? Diane! Hey, Diane! Are you deaf? Come down here! You didn't hear me calling you? Huh? You didn't hear me calling you? Are you deaf? Where's my alcohol? Where are my bottles at? Why would you throw it away? Huh? Are you stupid? Vicky will never do something so stupid. You're useless. You're useless. You're even worse than me.
Sorry, sir. Let me just go.
Go get it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You're so retarded.
You came into my world.
Sir, please. Don't do that to yourself, please.
You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood by my side.
It's okay. Everything will be alright. Everything will be alright.
Abandoned, left me to die. You showed me how to smile.
You're bleeding. I'm coming. Coming.
And believe in love again. You showed me how true love should be, and I appreciate.
Sorry. Hold on to this.
Why are you trying to kill yourself?
Am I not better off dead? Look at me. I'm useless.
No, you're not. You are useful to yourself and to those that loves you.
Nobody loves me, okay? The woman that loved me left me because of my condition. I lost my job. I lost my opportunity to go to the UK because of this condition. I've lost everything.
No, you haven't. You haven't lost it all. You might not have the ability to use your leg, but you haven't. As long as there is life, there is hope. You are not what happens to you. You are what you choose to become. Many great men and women are confined to a wheelchair, but that didn't stop them from achieving their goals. Look. This isn't the end for you, but the beginning. I know with or without your legs, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in life.
No one has ever told me such great words of encouragement.
These are not words of encouragement, but a statement of fact. Your condition cannot define who you are, but your strength and courage.
For the first time since this injury, I've kind of think there's still hope for me.
Don't think, believe there is hope, okay? The rewarding moment in life is letting go of things we cannot control. Yes, you can't control what happened to you, but you can control what happens next, okay?
Your words have melted my heart. It's made me have a rethink about life. Thank you for reminding me about the true essence of life again.
It's okay. You're welcome.
You'll be a great counselor, you know.
Well, I'm actually a nursing student. And you know they say sometimes words are better than pills.
Yeah. Oh, you're a nursing student? Why? Are you guys on a holiday? I mean, why are you not in school?
Let's say I'm on hustling holiday because I need to raise money for my school fees.
Well, you don't have like parents or siblings that could help you out with that.
I'm an orphan. I have a brother who stays in another part of the town, and then my sister, the one I live with.
Oh, yeah. Your sister's the person I shouted at the other day, right?
Yes, sir.
So sorry. I'm so sorry. Please pass my apology to her, okay? I was frustrated and angry at life, you know, so I just transferred that aggression to her. I'm sorry.
She will hear. Sir, it's past 6. I have to go.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no problem.
So take care of yourself. I will see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you.
Good night.
You came
Bye.
into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood by my side whenever.
Madam, this one you're so excited. I hope you brought our salary. Oh.
My friend, give me my bag. Which one is our salary again?
You mean my salary? Don't joke with me, oh. Where's my share?
I was only joking. I haven't been paid.
Then why are you so excited?
Because I have changed him.
Who?
My boss.
You mean that crippled drunk?
Uh-huh.
I don't understand. How did you do it?
Let's just say that I charmed him with my soothing words. Yeah. He even asked me to apologize to you for shouting at you the other day.
He asked you to apologize to me. Are you guys talking so well that...
Yes, we do. Remember I told you underneath that anger that he's a sweet soul. I'm so happy that I succeeded in bringing out the best in him.
Well, that's not my problem. My own is, hope he will increase your salary after all of this you are doing.
Choma, must everything be about money?
Everything is about money. Everything is about money because that's my priority and that's what's most important to me.
What happened to act of kindness? Remember, we have one life to live. So if there is any need or anything to show love or kindness to any human being, I will do it. So when I die, I will die a happy woman.
Oh, my darling. Spare me that motivational speech. I don't need it. My own act of kindness is money. Money. That's what motivates me.
Choma, you and money are inseparable.
My darling, after Chioma is money. So you can call me Chioma Money. That's my other name, oh.
Choma money.
Chioma Ego, Chioma Money. Anyhow. Yes.
Thank you for everything, but especially for talking some sense into my head. I've been dying of self-pity and I didn't even realize it. I mean, what happened, unfortunately, has happened, right? Now it's up to me to let it either destroy me or build me.
That's the spirit, sir.
Stop calling me sir, please. It makes me feel old. Just call me Lincoln.
Okay. Lincoln. Have you done any physical therapy since you left the hospital?
No. I've been too busy drinking myself to stupor. So stupid.
Okay, so do you mind if I guide you through some exercise?
I would love that, actually.
Hey!
Thank you so much.
Right, let's go outside.
You are my angel.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It happens.
What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life. How do I live without you? You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again. You showed me how true love should be, and I appreciate. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the exercise. I mean, it was very effective. I can feel it, I can feel it tingle in my legs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's really exciting.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Okay.
It's a gradual process. If you continue like this, trust me, you'll work very soon.
That would make me the happiest man in the world. I mean, when I could walk, I took it for granted for sure, But now I'll give anything to take a step. It's crazy how we take things for granted until we lose it.
Don't worry. I believe you'll walk soon.
I believe so too.
Okay, let me go and make you dinner.
Oh, what are we having for dinner?
A banana fang soup.
Are you serious? That's actually my favorite, with goat meat.
Lucky you. That's what is on the food timetable.
Are you serious? I didn't know I had a food timetable. I mean, Vicky did everything for me, I miss her so much. I mean, if I wasn't paralyzed, we'll still be together. I know that for a fact.
If she loved you, your condition shouldn't matter. Yes. Because true love sticks with you thick and thin. If you're truly in love with somebody, you want to be with the person no matter the condition. Yes, you look beyond their flaws. Whether crippled, dumb, deaf, it doesn't matter. True love looks beyond flaws.
I don't blame her. I mean, who would want to be with a crippled man?
I'll be in the kitchen. Let me go and make your food.
You showed me how to smile.
Let me go and cook people.
Live and believe in love.
Thank you so much.
Again. You showed me how true love should be, and I appreciate.
Okay. Hold on.
What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my
Oh, sorry.
Can't carry me.
If I can help.
You are helping.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks. Thank you very much.
I'm only doing my job.
No, thank you.
You're welcome. So, good night. I'll see you on Monday.
Monday?
Mm-hmm.
What? You're not coming tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Sunday, and Sunday is not part of our agreement.
Yeah, but I want to see you.
You have to wait till Monday. Monday is just a day after tomorrow.
I'll die of boredom before Monday.
No, you wouldn't.
Okay, what can I do to see you tomorrow? Anything. I'll do anything. I really want to see you.
On one condition.
What?
You promised to take me out.
No problem. Where would you like to go to?
To any nice restaurant.
Okay, that's not a problem at all. There's this place, I used to take Vicky. It's a nice place. I'm sure you will love it.
Okay, no problem.
So I'm seeing you tomorrow, right? For sure? Definitely. Say something.
Yes. Goodbye.
All right. Take care.
Bye, you too.
Madam, this one you're doing all this plenty makeup. Hope you're not going to seduce your pastor.
I need to look the best for him.
For who? Your pastor?
Oh God. Chioma, I am not going to church. I am going on a date.
With who? Don't tell me you're seeing someone and I am not aware of it. Me, your only sister, your gist partner, your business associate, your
everything. It's okay. You're my everything, my soulmate.
It hasn't gotten to that. Please, 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 please. But seriously, where are you going to? Because ever since you've been around, I haven't seen you with any man. Neither has any man come to pick you up.
That's because I've been going to see him.
Who? Ah, bad girl. Don't tell me you've been seeing someone. No wonder you've been coming home late from work. Ah, okay.
Chioma, can you just relax? I'm only going on a date with my boss.
Your boss? That drunk cripple?
He is not a drunk. He was only drinking to drown his pain.
My darling, whether you drink to drown in your pain or you drink to swim out of your pain, regardless, as long as you drink to stupor, you are a drunk.
My Lincoln is now a changed person.
Your Lincoln? He's now your Lincoln. This love is serious, so.
I never said I love him.
You don't have to tell me. Because the smile on your face says it all, darling.
What smile?
That's not my business. My own is that. Just bring me takeaway as you're coming back home.
Chioma, you love food.
I am a foodie and I love it. Just bring me takeaway.
No problem, ma'am.
Thank you.
Wow. You look beautiful.
Thank you. You're not looking bad yourself.
Oh. It's probably Hello? Yeah, we're on our way out. Okay. It's the cab man. He's outside.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry we're not using my car, I can't drive like this. So.
I wish I could drive. I would have driven you.
Why haven't you learned how to drive?
I was actually learning how to drive in my brother's car, but something happened, so I stopped.
You should learn how to drive. It's a life-saving skill, for sure.
I will do that once he comes back.
Yeah.
Him again?
Yes, it's him again. Ladies first.
No. I will help you.
Thank you.
You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took
This place looks so beautiful.
Yeah. You know, Vicky and I used to come here all the time. Like, we'd walk in, holding hands, all the time.
Please, don't do this. We are here to have fun, not to remember the past. Okay? Vicky is gone, but I'm here.
Thank you for this.
You know what? Sit. Sorry.
You are my angel, my blessing for life.
That looks really good. I could watch you eat all day.
Oh, please. Cheers.
Cheers,
To happiness.
To happiness.
Angel, my blessing for life.
Thank you so much. I had fun.
I should be the one thanking you. You know, ever since the accident, I haven't smiled, not to talk of laughed. Thank you for bringing light back into my life.
Fine, but I was only doing my job.
That's not your job. Your job is to cater to my domestic needs, not to cater to my emotional ones.
I just have added that to my job description.
In that case, you deserve a raise. I should increase your salary.
Wow! That would be so wonderful. You know, I'm trying to raise money for my school fees. So that would be great as soon as possible.
I wish I had enough money. I would just give you your school fees straight up, you know? But I'm just a broke cripple.
So what are you going to do about that?
I don't know. I mean, who'd want to hire a handicap?
Have you thought of starting your own thing?
You know, I actually started a construction company in the past. But when an offer came from a bigger construction company, I had to abandon it, you know. But this might be the perfect time to revive it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'll brainstorm and come up with something that'll make it unique, you know? Thank you so much for this idea.
You are welcome. So, I will see you tomorrow. All right, good night.
Wait. Can I get a hug?
Sure. Good night.
Good night.
Where did you take away now?
Oh my goodness. Babe, I'm so sorry I forgot. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
You went to enjoy yourself and you forgot about your only sister. It's not fair.
I'm sorry now. You know what? When next I go out, I'll get you something. I cross my heart.
So I have to wait until next time you go out before you can get me something. It's not nice, so. Anyways, how was your date?
It was beautiful. Oh, I had so much fun. He took me to this beautiful, classy restaurant. And we had
I beg, don't tell me what you ate. Let me be managing. If my book will go from okay. I'm glad you have.
Thank you.
But Emmanuel called. He said I should say hello to you.
Oh, Ima. But when is he coming to see us?
He said anytime soon. I don't really know.
Oh, please. He needs to come fast. Because I need to continue my driving lesson. You need to see the way Lincoln insulted me because I can't drive.
You and this your Lincoln. Lincoln.
Leave him for me. Is he your Lincoln?
Wala for no get Lincoln no.
I'm so tired.
Wahala.
Good night to
I'm
you.
for my own Lincoln.
Hey,
Good morning, dear.
good morning. How you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great.
I can see you're working on what we discussed.
Yes. Well, I made some calls, right? And a colleague told me that there's this company I pitched a proposal to for my other company, right? And they loved my performance, right? So they're looking for a company to give 100 million naira contract. So
What?
yeah,
That's huge.
it is.
So are you bidding for the contract?
Definitely. I already called them. They said they'll reach back, so I'm waiting on their call.
Don't worry, they will call you back by God's grace.
Amen. Amen.
So I'll get to work. If you need anything, holler out your girl.
I'll holler at you like Whiskey.
I know, I got you.
Hello? Yes. This is Lincoln of Lincoln Constructions. Hello, how may I help you? Yes, I contacted you guys for the contract for the low housing estate. Yeah, sure. I can show up tomorrow and pitch my proposal. Yeah, looking forward to it. Okay, all right, bye. Yes! Mwah! Yes!
What's the problem? I heard you shout.
Yeah, they just called me, the company, with the 100 million naira contract. They just called me. Yes.
What did they say?
They want me to come tomorrow to pitch my proposal, so it's going down. It's going down.
So happy for you.
You know, I think they might give me this contract, you know.
Baby, do not think about it. Just believe they will give it to you.
I believe they'll give me this contract.
That's the spirit.
You know, ever since you came into my life, you've made me way, way happier. Your sense of humor brings a smile to my face every single day. And your kindness fills me with awe. My life is definitely richer because you're a part of it. Thank you for mending my heart and bringing joy back into my life.
Welcome.
You stood by my side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die. You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again.
I'm sorry, I have to pick up your call.
How true love should be, and I appreciate.
Excuse me. Hello, big brother. This one you called me today. I hope I'm safe.
Can't I call my younger sister again?
Of course you can, but I'm surprised you called.
Anyway, I'm around.
Really? That's great. You know what? I will finish from work on time so we can discuss because we have plenty things to talk about.
No problem. I'll see you later, eh?
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Who was that?
My brother. My elder brother, the one I told you that stays in another part of town. He came around to see I and my sister.
Oh, okay. You're not going to go see him?
I'll do that after work.
You can have the rest of the day off.
Are you serious?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Just come early tomorrow, okay? And dress corporately. I want you to accompany me to the proposal.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's get to work.
Big brother.
Eh?
Who do we have here?
Wow. My goodness.
Longest time you have refused to come and visit
I
us.
apologize. You know, this is Lagos, the hustle and bustles, eh? Forgive me, my sister.
So you're too busy
Forgive.
to come and see your own sisters.
No vex, eh? I'm so sorry. Eh? I will make it up to you.
No problem.
Anyway, look, you're looking very, very good.
Really?
You added weight though. What is going on?
God has been very faithful to me.
We thank God. We thank God.
There's this guy she's been working for, and he's been looking after her so well. That's why she's glowing.
Really? Who is this guy?
Brother, please, don't mind her. She's just joking. And he's just my friend.
Just a friend. And he's making you blushing from here to here. Hey. Well, you better tell him to come and see me. You know I am the one that is going to collect the kola nut and the wine it's going to bring on your wedding day.
Wedding? Ha! Brother, you're moving too fast. We are actually taking it slow.
Yes, so
We're taking things slowly.
I have to be too fast. I want to collect your bride price.
Brother, I am not going to get married till I graduate from school.
Yeah. Talking about graduation, have you been able to raise money for your school fees?
Not yet. But once I collect my salary.
Our salary.
Okay, ma'am. Our salary. I'll be close to it.
Remind me before I leave so I could send to the one that you have so you could be able to pay for your school fees, okay?
Brother, thank you so much.
Come on. You're my sister. I can do anything for you. Huh?
Thank you.
Lest I forget, I would love and would hopefully want to see that man.
Brother, there's a little issue.
Issue?
He's crippled. He's crippled.
Crippled? Yes. Do you love him? And does he love you?
Yeah.
And I would hopefully would want to see him.
Okay, you know what? Tomorrow, I will talk to him and see if you can see him tomorrow, yeah?
That would be very, very beautiful. I can't wait to see him, okay?
Oh, hey.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Are you still working on your proposal? I thought by now you'd be done.
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm just looking it over again, make sure everything is in order. Yeah.
Just relax. You got this.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Let me help you.
Thank you so much. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
No, don't worry. I'll hold it.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming with me.
It was okay. It's fine.
Yeah.
What are friends for?
think we'll still give it a thought.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning. Thank you.
What happened to you?
Well, I had a little accident that affected my spinal cord, so.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay, sir. It's okay.
So sorry.
It's okay.
Are you here to see your colleagues because they just left an hour ago?
No. I'm actually here to pitch a proposal for my own company, Lincoln Constructions.
You left Okoronkwo's construction?
Well, I didn't leave them. They actually fired me when I became paralyzed.
Oh, sorry about that. So sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I mean, what's happened has happened. Now it's up to me to either let it destroy me or build me. And I've chosen to let it build me.
That's very true. You have the floor then.
All right.
Okay.
All right, sir. The importance of low-cost housing cannot be overemphasized, right? We all know that affordable, decent homes are a perfect way for a family to forge their way out of poverty. And we've seen how decent, affordable, nice homes has solved the housing problems globally, right? I mean, the need for low-cost housing is immense, and the effect it will have on the homeowners' lives and that of their families, it's undeniable. And as you know, I've handled projects of this magnitude and even bigger for my former company, and that has proven my competence at this level, that I can handle these projects, right? And this is why I am soliciting for Lincoln Construction to handle this project and bring a smile to the faces of many. This is my proposal, sir. All the details are in there of how we plan to execute. We've covered all bases. Like I normally do or did for my other company, except this time we actually went a step further and added more details. We're ready, sir.
That's very impressive.
Thank you, sir.
And I must confess, your presentation skill is impeccable.
Thank you, sir.
However, we can't give you the contract.
Why? Sir, I'm more than capable of handling this project. I've handled even bigger projects for my former company, and you know I'm very capable of doing this. I'm very competent.
I know you are capable. You've handled bigger projects, but that was when you could walk. I mean, look at yourself. How can you move from one location to another in this your present condition? Can you even climb a story building? You see, I'm sorry, but we can't give you the contract. Maybe when a contract to dig a borehole comes up, we'll surely let you know. All right?
I'm so sorry. Please understand with us.
I'm just a disabled piece of shit. I'm worthless. What's the point of trying to be normal when I'm clearly abnormal?
How can you talk like that? You are not worthless. I believe there is a bigger contract out there for you.
How could you say there's a bigger contract out there for me? Did you get what he said? That they won't give me the contract because of my condition. How can I get a bigger contract?
Baby, I don't want you to lose hope.
How could you talk about hope? There's no longer hope for me.
There is. Hope does not make the present condition less difficult, but it assures us of a better tomorrow. I believe And I also know that this is not the end of your career. Okay? Please stop crying. Sorry, excuse me. Hello, big brother.
Alpha, I thought you said you would come back early so we can gist.
Yeah, but I'm still busy at work.
Are you sure you're busy or your guy has refused to release you? Well, you better tell him to come and see me, or should I come over?
No, you can't come over. This isn't a good time, and I'm not sure he will want to see you.
What's that?
It's my brother. He wants to come and see you.
Let him come.
No, I don't think this is a good idea. It's not a good time, and I don't want him to see you like this.
Let him come. Let him come. Talking to him might make me feel better.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Hello, big brother. Yeah, he said you can come over.
Okay, good. Send me the address and I will come after I pump my car tire.
Okay, I'll send it right away.
Please could you help me with some water? I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Hello, big brother. Where are you?
I'm parked outside your gate.
Oh, okay. I'm coming outside to get you. My brother, he's here. He parked his car outside. Let me bring him in.
Oh, your brother drives a car?
Yes, that's what he used to sustain himself and support us. And he doesn't joke with that cabo. He doesn't like to drive around this town.
Yeah, that's definitely true. I can attest to that. But I didn't know he was a cab driver. If I knew, he would have taken us to the meeting instead of that crazy guy.
That's true. Maybe next time.
Certainly.
Okay.
I need fresh air. Do you mind if I come with him?
Of course.
Okay.
Are you done with the water? Okay, I'm coming, okay? Let me bring him in. Big brother!
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
You look
Welcome.
good. Thank you.
Come, let me take you inside.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
How are you?
I'm fine. Come. This is my brother.
Hello. It's nice to meet you. My name is Emodi.
What? Oh, it can be. It can be.
Baby, what's wrong?
No.
What can be?
No.
Baby, what can be?
This is not happening.
Wait. Why is he reacting that way?
Sorry, brother, but today is not a good day for him. He lost a contract because of his condition. That's why he's in a very bad mood.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just help me extend my sympathy to him, okay?
Don't worry, he will hear. And please don't be offended, okay? He's not usually like this, so he's a very wonderful person.
I understand. For the fact that we all had bad days doesn't mean we're bad people.
Yes.
Okay? Just please help me extend my sympathy to him and make sure you take good care of him.
I will.
Okay?
All right.
Take good care of him. I'll see you later, okay?
No problem.
Take care.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, take care.
My love, why did you act like that? Why did you walk away from my brother?
Get your hands off me! Leave me alone! Leave my house! Then leave my house!
Baby, what did I
Get
do?
out!
Okay. It's okay.
Get out.
Mr. Emmanuel, does the Toyota Corolla with the plate number KSF236BT belong to you?
Yes, it's mine. I bought it 2 years ago. Officer, I didn't steal it all.
And who said you stole it? That's how you criminals confess without knowing. Going by the color of the car, I suppose you used it for transportation, right?
Yes, officer. And I must tell you that that car has been registered with the Ministry of Transportation.
Mr. Emmanuel never said it isn't registered. Confession number 2.
Hey, officer, I am not a criminal. I am a law-abiding citizen of this country.
You will soon know if you've broken the law or not. Since that car is your personal car, that means you are the one that drives that car.
Not most times. This is my property. It's always within my possession all the time.
Very good. Very good. That means since the car is within your possession, you drove that car on the 3rd of March, right?
Yes, officer. I use it for the main purpose in which I bought it, for my business.
You're actually making my work easy. Did you by any means ply the Water Corporation NNPC as is on the 3rd of March?
Officer, that is my normal business route.
That means between the hour of 4 p.m. and 5 p.m., you were driving that car.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Mr. Emmanuel, on the 3rd of March, exactly 4:25 p.m., the traffic camera captured you speed past the red light, which is a breach of the traffic law. At that same hour, there was a case of accident, hit and run that was recorded. To crown it all, Mr. Emmanuel, the man you ran over has confessed that it was your car that knocked him. And since you have confessed that you are the one that drove your car on that said date, that makes you guilty of hit and run.
So it was Lincoln.
Yes. It's the one. Lincoln was the one that was hit by my car the other day.
So apparently they are charging you to court for hit and run?
Yes. Now I have to face the world with the law.
Why are they charging you to court? It wasn't you that drove the car that day.
Yes, I know. But the officers don't. And I want it to remain that way.
I won't let you pay for a crime that you didn't commit. I won't let that happen.
Came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside.
If you're here to plead on behalf of your brother, don't bother, okay? Because I've handed him over to the police and I'm not going to stop until he pays for putting me in this wheelchair.
I am not here to plead for my brother. I am here to tell you the
You
truth.
showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again.
My brother did put you in this wheelchair. It was me.
Are your legs on the brake? Yes. So you need to ensure that you watch your side mirrors carefully, okay? And this as well, this mirror has to be for somebody coming at you, right?
What's wrong? What? Hey! What have I done? What have I done? No, you can't take on him! No, you can't take on him! You can't take on him! Let's take him to the hospital! Oh my... See, it's fine. You need to run away or
Okay.
No!
Okay.
You showed me how true love.
I was learning how to drive with his car. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. It was an accident, and I didn't know it was you. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I understand if you don't want to see me or talk to me again. But I want you to know that meeting you and watching you change from a depressed person to a loving and a happy person was the best thing that has ever happened to me. I promise you that my love for you will never change. I know you probably hate me now, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'll continue to love you, whether inbound or free. I am going to the police to turn myself in.
Of all the proposals I've seen, only two stands out.
Which ones, ma?
That's Okorocha's construction company and Lincoln's construction company. And I prefer Lincoln Construction Company more.
We can't give him the contract.
Why can't we give him the contract?
It's the young man from that represented Okorocha Constructions during the Green Park proposal presentation.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That means he has started a company of his own?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's nice. I knew he was going to go far. Let's give him a try. I think I believe in him.
Ma, there is a little problem.
What's the problem?
He was involved in an accident and currently he's confined to a wheelchair.
Oh, poor him. What a pity. How can something so tragic happen to a promising young man?
Really, I pity him too, but we can't give him the contract.
Why can't we give him the contract? Besides, we were all impressed with his performance from his other company.
Ma, the thing is, he's crippled. Yes, and he can't move from one location to another. With his condition, he can't even climb a story building to inspect. No, we can't give him the contract.
So what you're saying is that we should deny him a contract that you and I know very well that he has the expertise to execute because of his disabilities. No one should be denied a contract or a job because they are disabled. Awarding contracts or jobs should be done based on competence and nothing else.
Hello. Yes. How can I help you?
Is this Lincoln of Lincoln Construction Company?
Yes. Yes, you're speaking to Lincoln of Lincoln Constructions.
This is Miss Elizabeth from Wiz Construction Company.
Why are you calling me? You people told me you won't give me the contract because I'm a cripple. Why are you calling me?
Oh, no. I'm sorry about that. I was out of the country when you came to pitch your proposal. On behalf of this company, I apologize.
Thank you for apologizing. Goodbye.
Hold on. I didn't only call to apologize. I also called to inform you that you've been awarded the contract and we need you to come to our office so we can finalize the agreement. Which day can you come to our office? Hello? Hello, are you there?
I'm here, ma'am. I'm here. I can come first thing tomorrow morning. I'll be there. I'll be ready, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'll be there tomorrow morning.
Okay, no problem then. I'll be expecting you.
You too. Have a great night. Day. Day.
Someone wants to see you.
I told you I don't want to see anybody. I want to be left alone.
I will leave the both of you.
I know you came to take a look at me for the last time before I faced the law. I'm ready for whatever that comes my way. I want you to know that I am very sorry for what happened.
I'm dropping all the charges.
But
Better with acceptance for how they are. I love you, Diana.
You came into my world and you changed my life forever. You took away the loneliness and pain I feel inside. You stood by my side when everyone around me abandoned and left me to die. You showed me how to smile, live and believe in love again. You showed me how true love should be, and I appreciate. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life. What is life without you? I'll be broken without you. You are my angel, my blessing for life.